Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a session on FX Replay. To get started, open FX Replay and make sure you are on the dashboard. This is the main landing area where you can access different parts of the platform, including your sessions and other testing tools. Starting from the dashboard helps you follow the process smoothly from the correct location. At the top of the screen, click on Sessions. This will take you to the section where all of your saved or previously created sessions are organized. If you are creating a session for the first time, this is where you'll begin setting everything up. Once you are on the Sessions page, click on New Session. This opens the session creation form where you'll enter the basic information needed to build your new session. Take a moment here to look over the available fields so you know what details will be required. Next, enter a sample name for the session. This name is simply used to help identify the session later, so choose something clear and easy to recognize. A descriptive name can make it much easier to find the right session again if you create several over time. After that, enter the sample amount. This field is typically used to define the amount associated with the session setup. Be sure to type it carefully and double-check the value before moving on, since even a small typo can affect how the session is configured. Now select the sample asset from the Assets options. This step tells FX Replay which market or instrument the session will use. Make sure you choose the correct asset for your intended practice or testing scenario, since that selection will shape the data and chart environment for the session. You'll then see the option to select chart layout. This step is optional, but it can be useful if you want the session to open with a preferred chart arrangement. For example, if you already have a layout style you like to use, selecting it here can save time later and make your workflow more consistent. Once everything is filled in and reviewed, click on Create Session. This final step saves your setup and generates the new session in FX Replay. If all required fields were completed correctly, your session should be created right away and ready for use. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to quickly review the name, amount, asset, and optional chart layout before clicking Create. That simple check can help prevent mistakes and save time later. That's it. You've successfully created a session on FX Replay.